Hey friends, it's Lexi. Today, I've got a fast English idiom challenge for you. I will show you an idiom first and then two different situations. You have to choose the one that matches the meaning of the idiom. You only get 10 seconds to choose before I reveal the answer and the meaning of that idiom. Score yourself as we go. Grab a pen or count in your head. Ready? 3, 2, 1, let's start the first idiom. Use this score guide and let me know your score in the comments below. Subscribe to Lexicon Lane for more idiom challenges.